foil paper, cake board, carton paper, glue, scissors. Let me show you how to use these items to make a DIY home decor. First and foremost, you draw a vase. Cut out the vase and mount it on your cake board to be sure your measurements are okay. Now take a foil paper and wrap it around the vase. Make sure it is well fitted and well rounded. Now what we want to achieve is a rusty and rough surface, so take your time to achieve that. Then you take an A4 paper and divide it into two. In this video I used two A4 papers, so I divided it into four. You roll up the A4 paper as you can see in the video and you glue it all together. Now spray the rolled paper black. And then glue the foil paper edges onto the carton paper. Next, we're going to glue the rolled paper onto the vase. So we're aiming for a V shape, so you're not gluing it straight, you're going to glue it in a V shape. Now glue the whole vase onto the cake board. Next, we're going to place some ornaments on the rolled paper. Now I got these ornaments from an old shoe of mine, so you can use anything on your rolled papers. You can use something you're not using anymore. Then also I must mention, instead of rolled papers you can also use bamboo sticks, then spray it black as well. Depending on your specification, you can spray the foil paper gold, but for this video I'm going to leave it just as it is. Hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos like this, please subscribe, like and share. Have a beautiful day. See you in my next video. Bye.